Are you having trouble with an Xbox controller that won't stay on? There are a few reasons why your wireless controller won't stay or power on. It could have low or dead batteries, a poor connection, or you may need to download and install a firmware update. Here's how to fix it. First, let's power cycle your controller. Press and hold the Xbox button for 5 to 10 seconds until the controller turns off. Then wait a few seconds and then power it back on. Replace the batteries or juice up your rechargeable controller. To install a firmware update, press the Xbox button to open the menu. Go to Profile and System, then select Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories, Xbox Wireless Controller. Then select More Options to check the firmware version for your controller. If none of that worked, your controller may need to be repaired or replaced. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.